Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to program your 100 amp Turnigy K-Force here let me see your Turnigy K-Force 100 amp ESC with switchable BEC. What you're going to be doing is, or what I'm using is this Turnigy 2-in-1 professional program box that you can get from Hobby King for like 15 bucks. Same thing with the I'm using this battery pack, the same one that I used to power my receiver that I just did in the other video. I'm going to be using it to power this program box. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug in your ESC here. You're going to plug it into the program box, right? And here you can see it's pretty much labeled. This is your signal wire, your positive wire, your negative wire. And you just take your plug, you plug it in like that. One thing that's also cool about this program box, before I go any further, is that you can actually connect this to the PC, and you can actually, it's got an interface that you can connect it with the PC. I haven't done it yet. I've just been kind of just messing with it, just how it is now. Just connect it directly into the ESC and power it with the this battery pack right here. Okay, here you can see the ESC is blinking. That's how you know that that they're connecting to each other. And you press OK right here. Hopefully you can see it on the screen, the LED screen. You can see what's going on. So here you can see pushing item. It shows what battery type. Anytime you want to change something, you press value, and then that's how you're able to change it. So keep it at LiPo. Soft mode, I want a soft cutoff mode. I don't want it to just automatically shut off. I would like, for it to kind of give me an opportunity in case the battery runs down to try and land it. I did keep it at middle voltage cutoff so that the battery didn't run down too low, so I don't kill my batteries. Start mode normal. You can do a soft start, but when you do, it tends to be really. I personally like to have when you throttle up, that's the response that you have with the motor. Whereas if you do a soft start, every time you throttle up or down, the response on the motor is it's a lot slower, and I didn't really like that, so I kept it to normal. So you could do soft, very soft, or normal. So I just keep it at normal. With the timing mode, the default timing mode is 5, which is I believe 15 degrees, which is the middle timing mode. You can have low, middle, and high. With these RC Lander units, they recommend that you put it up to high, the high timing. So the highest you can go on this is 8, which is I think like 22 something degrees or whatever. But I decided to go in between what I thought was high, so I did 7, so just in case. 7 is still pretty high, I think, and yet you won't kill your batteries either. Governor mode, turn that off. Reserved. PWM frequency 12 kHz, pretty much default. The BEC voltage, this is where you can determine what kind of voltage this supplies a 6 volt 3 amp supply to the receivers, and I've used this ESC already with my previous T50, and it operated perfectly on being able to handle all the landing gear and the servos all together. So all 5 servos and the landing gear were all able to be powered by the ESC's switchable BEC. So we'll keep that the way it is. LiPo cells, we're going to be running it on 4 cells, so we'll keep that there the way it is. And that's pretty much it. And then just press OK when everything is set, and then it saves. And then I think to go back, you press RP or something like that. Or anyway, but once it saves, that's pretty much. Once it saves like that, once it says save data OK, that means that everything in your ESC is programmed, and that's the way it should perform when you're out there on the field. So that's how I use my Turnigy program box. I'm sure it's got a lot more functions. I haven't really explored all of them. I've just been using. You can use this to program not just this K-Force ESC for flying, but also for cars, for boats, stuff like that. So really a really good tool to use if you're using one of these 100 amp K-Force ESCs. So just keep that in mind. Alright,